What up guys, and welcome to LOfitnez. I'm Lawrence. Today I'm about to show you 5 powerful jump rope footwork. These 5 powerful jump rope footwork will not only give you varieties but also add some taste of fun to your jump rope workout section. Of course, at the end of this video there's a bonus footwork, so I advise you to watch the video to the end. So without further ado, let's get to it.
Yeah. You already know it's about time. It's beat. And I'm like, what? Walking through the street, don't need no promo. All up in my business, God bless this mofo. Shout out to my homie, they be honest. No time to waste time, so niggas just be honest. Walking it and I'm getting it and I'm holding it down. Stacking my rest, boy, why you the vex I be and now you're down. You tell me you want some, I give you the ish, I give you the ish. She told me she wanted to meet, so I told her to fish. Making me laugh, cracking those funny jokes, boy, you are hot. I'm one of a kind, bipolar flow, make a 2 of a kind. I be like seasoning everywhere. Just the people's hanging everywhere. Keep hanging on the fairy tale while I wait, while I see that fairy tales. We be that peeing on these spider suckers. I'm meant to preach the gospel, just love a brother. Lord have mercy, I'm living the life. It's reality now that I'm chasing my dreams, so I sleep as a light. Keeping it real. Loving the sin. Flashing lights make it feels like I'm staring a film. My Lord Jabo CB, Benny, my Lord Jabo CB. You say that you ready to turn up, plus why you dey carry shibi? I wrote this verse in the cabin, Costava, on my way to the studio from the streets of Ljubljana. Though the traffic jam was mad as hell in Costava, but Harut is always patient, so I'll buy him some gala. It's 6 p.m. in Tbilisi. The street is so busy with yellow buses roaming the streets. Pedestrians on the stands, just also buying and selling. Of course it's Tbilisi, but you know I'm still from Kutaisi. There's 60 pieces for the week, so I stand for 7 days. I'm not insane, I'm still the same. I'm cashing out every day. Now you can see why they're hating on me. Now you can see that they're debating on me. I'm making easy to the breeze. I'm keeping it real in Tbilisi. Just listen to your mind, pay attention to yourself, cause you know when you got the juice, you gotta mix it up. It's moving easy to the breezy, I ain't stressing off about these haters, man. You know I'm still rhyming up with my homie Prince P. Every day we keeping it real. It's 6 p.m. in Tbilisi. It's not easy, but you know we gotta stay strong and rap every day. It's high road to me, man. Baby, give me your hit. So it's my time and your time's up. I'm high up and you tied down. It's getting there, can you getting scared? Well, I got the fire out, light up. I'm bossing, I'm getting it. You lost why you sweating it, stop sweating it. Don't mess me on. She turns me on and I pop it up, oh yeah. Now let me lecture you a little bit. Stop poking around my business, I ain't giving out employment. I'm sure by the time down I'm gone, then gon' raise me a monument. I run the entire city, my only reference the government. It is PRPRAYZEBE, you know me fly. Whoa, I got a whole lot of Karen dangling on my neck. You better show that respect so I can go ahead and sign your check. Life's the beach and I'm making it wet. Call it the bitch and call it the trip. Maybe knees on the beat and I'm giving you what you want every day and every night. I'm dropping all my flows like a fucking bad habit. Everybody knows me, maybe easy, man. I got good habits in my closet. Everybody know this right.
There you have it guys, that's my 5 powerful jump rope footworks, and of course with a bonus. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to use these footworks to spice up your jump rope routines. Which one of these footworks is your favorite? Always feel free to let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification button because more lovely videos are coming your way. Take care of yourself guys.